What is going on, everybody? We've got some really nice Newell coaches to show you. Today we're hanging out at the Newell Coach Factory with the famous Josh Snyder. How you doing, sir?
Good, Andrew. How you doing today?
Excellent, thank you. I heard there's some exciting things happening here at the Newell Coach Factory.
There is some exciting things happening. Inventory-wise, a lot of great things happening. We finally have some pre-owned inventory here. We have more than 15 pre-owned inventory coaches to choose from, ranging from a 2012 all the way to 2022. We need to move these coaches. We need to move them fast because at Newell Coach we're doing a huge expansion here. We need to find a home for these coaches, so therefore we can expand our enterprise. I'm going to show you 4 coaches today, a 2019, 2 2018s, and a 2017.
Yeah, and these are some really cool coaches. Now, these coaches all have the factory warranty from Newell Coach?
Yes, every coach we'll show you today will have a factory warranty. And we get a 2-year, 24,000-mile Newell Coach factory warranty. The 2016 and Newell will carry a 2-year warranty. The 2012s and 2013s, we will also offer a warranty for that, but it will not be a 2-year warranty. It'll be a limited warranty to help back you as you start your journey in your Newell.
I want to talk prices. Are you going to be able to share prices with us on all these coaches?
Yeah, we're going to do some range of prices, show you. These are all retail price, the asking price for it. And you also check all these coaches out on our website at www.newellcoach.com. Just click on the inventory pre-owned coaches and you scroll through our selection.
Now let's take a cruise inside here.
Let's go and check this one out. This right here is a 2019 coach. Currently one of our more popular floor plans. This is a 2 full bathroom, 2 bunks.
And now this is a really nice coach.
It's a beautiful coach. This is a 2019. This is coach number 1638. 2 full bathroom, bunk coach, opposing sofas, jackknife sofa, hide to bed sofa, the front and driver passenger seats turn around, such as they do on all Newells. So this coach can sleep 7 people, sit 7 people, entertain 7, no problem, and also has the storage and capacity for 7 people for a nice week-long trip.
And 2 showers as well.
Yeah, 2 full bathrooms. I don't know if you heard that in my description. 2 full bathrooms. Really an amazing coach. This coach right here has right at 50,000 miles on it. Has had 2 previous owners. Took very, very good care of this coach. So you walk through it, has new tires on it, been very well maintained. All the maintenance has been done here at Newell Coach. Current owner used it, him and his wife and grandkids would go camping all throughout the country and they really enjoyed it. They're just looking to upgrade to a new build. So this coach is on consignment.
And the current owner is a friend of mine who, I know this coach was stored in a hangar, stored indoors, and he owns a lot of semi-trucks and heavy equipment, so maintenance is very important. This is an immaculate owner that owned this coach.
Very well taken care of. Whoever has this coach will be taking home a very, very nice coach. This would be a great coach for family, grandparents with grandkids that like to go camping. You know, the great summer months. This coach, you can enjoy it, have everyone in comfortably, and enjoy your vacation. So walk through here real quick and you can kind of see. You'll see the bunks are 71 inches in length. It does lift up and lock, so it makes a closet if you need it, if you're not using the bunk beds.
Yeah, and I have talked about in several videos that this is actually my favorite floor plan, having the 2 showers. You know, are playing all day and have to go to dinner. The couple both want to shower at the same time before going to dinner. So a lot of value in having 2 showers or having a bathroom for the kids to shower as well. A lot of versatility here. If you have the grandkids, they can use that. Or if you're using it as a couple, this can be a huge closet with the 2 showers. So a lot of value here.
Yeah, you're right, Andrew. This is a really good, very convenient floor plan, very user-friendly. You can see I'm a little bit bigger of a guy myself. I can easily fit in the shower. Plenty of space, turn around. Really good use of space, and it's very tall. So once again, we do have 89 inches of floor to ceiling height.
And this has got that underlit countertop as well. I know that's an extremely expensive option. Love the walls here.
Wood look walls really looks nice. This right here is a standard bedroom. Really good space. You have 2 closets on the passenger side slide with the junior king right here. 8-foot, 6-inch wide slide. Gives you great space for end tables or nightstands by your bed. As you come here to the rear bathroom, this is our standard rear bath, washer dryer, full length closet back there in the rear with the standard shower on your left.
Beautiful tile work in here. Now you've got some other coaches to show us, but how much money does someone need to become the next owner of this coach?
This coach right here will be $1,695,000.
Yeah, that's a beautiful coach, but we've got a lot more nice coaches to show you.
Let's picture this right here. This is a 2018. This is coach 1635. Beautiful exterior paint. Check out all the great features of this coach.
Yeah, just another totally different look than the previous coach, with beautiful style as well. What's going on here, sir?
Beautiful style. This 2018 is a bath and a half quad slide floor plan with around 21,800 miles on it. Hide a bed sofa, huge, really nice galley, great storage throughout this coach. If you look here, you have a nice little buffet area, coffee pot. These drawers pull out completely. This is more of a full-timer style coach with a lot of storage in it. So if you're looking to do a lot of long trips, you and the wife, couples, this might be the right coach for you. Full refrigerator, ice drawer, freezer, great little nooks of storage right through here, dishwasher. And you see this nice countertop, underlit countertop makes it look very, very nice, very modern look. Washer dryer, huge pull-out pantries, and a really good size half bath tucked all the way back in here as you lead into the main bedroom.
Some really cool styles here on all these different surfaces as well. Some beautiful, all the
really
lighting
beautiful.
And just floor to ceiling, every little square inch is finished out.
18-inch in length tile all the way up to the beautiful ceiling package. This coach offers a lot. Even a nice little coat closet. As you can see, this is a nice 11-foot long slide right here, so it gives you a lot of advantages having an 11-foot long slide along with your junior king bed, 66 by 78. This is on a lift right here, so you can have the option of watching TV or having a nice view out the nice big beautiful window that we do offer here at Newell Coach. You come back here, you do have two dual closets, really good space, drawers all the way through that pull out, great laundry. Look at this beautiful countertop, petrified wood, wall mounted faucets, deep inlay sink, great storage throughout. Even this, like I said, dual closets. You have another closet space right here. You can easily push these doors back in to maximize your space. As you continue around, you have a nice toilet right there. Look how big that shower is. Really big shower. This is a 40 by 33 inch shower. Great space in here. Just like I say, this is a perfect coach if a couple would like to full-time, and this could be the motorhome for you.
Absolutely. I'm just going to take a step back here and look at this again. Did you say that this is a petrified wood?
Yes.
Did I hear that right?
Yes, sir, you did.
A petrified wood countertop. Got to be a pretty expensive option, I would imagine.
I believe it is, but we knocked it out of the park here at Newell. Shows what we were doing 2018, 5-6 years ago. We were top of the mound then as well. We continued it to today.
Yeah, this is another really nice Newell. How much does someone need to become the next owner of this coach?
This coach right here is currently on sale at $1,350,000, which is a great steal.
So you guys have them lined up out here. What's the story on this coach?
This right here is a 2018 Coach 1622 with right at 51,000 miles on it. Once again, bath and a half, quad slide floor plan. This coach right here is unique in a way that the kitchen is on this side, on the passenger side, door side of the coach. Changes things up, so that allows you to have really big windows as you walk in. Does have a hide-a-bed sofa, full dinette, 3 sconces across. This right here has really good space in the galley area. Dishwasher, underlit countertop, and it continues on to a nice desk area with storage and a TV lift. You do have a 47-inch TV up front, another 47-inch TV that'll pop out with the TV lift for more entertaining. As you continue on in the back, it has great storage area much like the one we saw over here, another little half buffet area versus what you saw in 1635. As you can see here, we do have the big GE monogram refrigerator. Once again, ice tray, full freezer. This coach here features a lot of great storage in this area as well. 2 pull-out pantries along with an adjustable shelf, well-lit pantry. The guys took great advantage of it. As you can see, they built this within the curve. So if you look at that great cabinet work right there, you'll see how it kind of pivots. But we're just taking advantage of every inch of space that this coach gave us. That's really the ultimate goal in every coach that we build, but you can just see it come through in examples such as this. So you move back through here, you'll see a great Whirlpool washer, stackable washer dryer. This is more of our standard washer dryer right here. It works really well in motion. If you look in here, this is a great half bath. A really good space and size. So continue back in here, we have a 9-foot, 6-inch long slide. On both sides here, you have a lifted coat closet, so you have a nice full countertop space right there for a nightstand, etc. But if you need to have your coat closet while traveling, easy to get to, very easy access. And on right there behind you, you also have some additional closet space. So you have 4 closets in each corner of this particular coach, what gives you great storage. How we were allowed to do that was we made these slides a little bit bigger in the rear bedroom. As we continue back here in the bathroom, you'll see, even with these big slides in the rear bedroom, we're able to get a lot of really good space back here in the back. As you enter the bathroom, cedar lined with additional drawer storage underneath, along with a full-length countertop, some tube lighting to give you a little extra space here. Once again, we do open ours up like that. Ladies really like that when they're getting ready, putting on their makeup and such. Continue back through here, you'll see great closet space, and you can push these in. This coach does have a safe along with more additional closet space, so it is a full-length closet, and that's what we mean by a full-length closet when we talk about it right here. It goes the full length of the wall of the rear bath. And then you see, once again, another 40 by 33 inch shower. Great space. It's really a very popular shower. It is the bigger shower that we offer. You can tell a lot of people chose these back in the 2018, 2019 mind frame, and they're still using it today.
Yeah, another really nice spec Newell coach. Now, how much money does someone need to become the next owner of this coach?
Asking price on this coach is $1,695,000.
Yeah, now this is a cool looking paint job with the blue, black, and tan.
It is. This is one of our first P50 models. This is a 2017. This is coach 1604. It has a little over 50,000 miles on it. It's a really great floor plan with a very unique dinette. Let's come check it out.
Yeah, this is something totally different than what we saw in the previous Newell coaches.
2017, just like I said, lighter wood package, but this is really a great floor plan. Very friendly, a J Lounge dinette. This table does come up, down, in, out, various motions. So if you do have guests, you can sit them right here as well. So it's a very entertaining, family-friendly coach. Right across from the hide-a-bed sofa features a desk with plenty of storage, but also a 42-inch TV that lifts up out of the desk as well, and a televator. Come through, we have a very beautiful dark wooden floor in this particular coach, and it really flows very well with a nice underlit countertop, the acrylic underlit countertop, dishwasher, beautiful gloss wood right here as it comes all the way back to a nice buffet area. You see we have your nice wine glasses. Once again, plumbed in Brew Express coffee maker with great storage throughout. Nice deep drawers, put pots and pans, crock pots, number of different things inside that just really heavy, pulls all the way out. Once again, you can never have enough storage. Features right across here is once again our GE monogram compressed air refrigerator, over 22 cubic feet. So you slide on back, you'll see once again great storage. You can never have enough storage. Just like I said earlier, adjustable shelves, very well lit with 2 really big pull-out pantry drawers. Continue on back. Again, we do have our Whirlpool washer dryer. Right across from the storage, you have it features a very nice half bath.
Yeah, beautiful tile work up the entire wall. I love the light colors in this coach.
Really
beautiful.
Does. It opens it up. Really big windows. They took advantage of their space very well. Once again, Really big bedroom.
Huge bedroom and
bedroom. This is a
carpet in the bedroom too.
Carpet in the bedroom, yes, and that is popular. A lot of people like doing the carpet in the bedroom. Makes it feel more residential. Once again, really big rear slide here. I want to focus on this slide. This is an 11-foot long slide with amazing storage and tabletop space back here in the master. So if you have a CPAP machine, anything like that, this might be a great coach for you. If you like a big nightstand, this is yours. Also, we are able to raise the coat closet up to maximize that countertop space back here, along with featuring some beautiful, nice, really great drawers for storage. If you turn around, this right here is in a 9-foot 6-inch long slide with a half closet right here. With that half closet and this being such a long slide, it allowed us to have a really big, wide window. I think it's a 44 by 72-inch window. Really big, you can really see out. And what we did to try to keep maximizing space, since we don't have a closet here, to maximize the space of that window, we allow for additional storage space right here in the corner. Once again, storage is very key. Come back through into the main bathroom area. We'll go more with our standard size shower with a 33 by 33-inch shower. Plenty of space to take a shower, maneuver around. Great elbow room here so you can bathe properly. If you look through, once again, another half closet just to try to maximize our space. Cedar lined, nice laundry hamper with a caddy corner sink, wall-mounted faucets. Gives you plenty of countertop space, great storage, with more closet space right there with great drawer storage.
This is a beautiful coach. How much money does someone need to become the next owner?
You can get this coach right here. The asking price for this coach is $1,550,000.
And if someone is a serious and qualified buyer and they want to purchase one of the Newell coaches we saw in the video today, or some of your other inventory, who can they get a hold of?
Give me a call. My name is Josh Schneider. Call me at 918-542-3344. I'm at extension 201. Or check us out on our website at www.newellcoach.com.
Awesome, Josh. Appreciate you and the team at Newell. I also greatly appreciate all of you subscribing to the channel. We hope you're all having a great day. Thanks again.
Safe travels.